How to create online course. This is a complete step-by-step guide. So, creating an online course is one of the best ways to build authority, earn recurring income, and genuinely help people transform their lives. But where do you actually start? In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 7-step system successful course creators use to go from idea to launch. And the best part, you can do this faster than you think. So let's dive into this 7-step method. Step 1, choose a profitable course topic. The sweet spot is where your skills, your passion, and market demand all overlap. Ask yourself, what question does my audience ask repeatedly? What problem have I personally solved? What skills do I use every single day? Your course topic should promise a clear transformation, not ask, learn photography, but take professional portraits with just your smartphone. That clarity sells. Step 2, plan your course structure. Now, break that transformation into 3 to 7 modules. Each module should have one clear outcome. Think of them as milestones your students hit on their way to the final result. Keep it simple. Students love clarity more than complexity. Map out your modules, define your learning outcomes, and you've got your roadmap. So, step 3, script or outline your lessons. You don't need word-for-word scripts, but you do need a clear structure. Use this framework to hook and grab attention. Teaching points, 2 to 4 key concepts demonstrating show the actual process. Summary, reinforce the key takeaways. The call to action, give them a next step. This keeps your teaching tight and your recording fast. Step 4, record your course. Recording is easier than most people think. You need 2 things: clear visuals and great audio. Your equipment, a smartphone, a lapel mic, and good lighting is honestly enough for most creators. Screen record your tutorials. Film talking head intros. Add demonstrations. Keep lessons short. 5 to 10 minutes is the sweet spot. Step 5, upload and organize your course. This is where platforms like Zenler shine. You can create modules, upload videos, add downloadable resources, enable drip, scheduling, and add quizzes all in one place. Drag and drop your lessons into order, preview the student experience, and guys, you're ready. So step 6, price your course. There's no single correct price, but there are smart pricing strategies. Use outcome-based pricing. What's the value of the transformation? Check what similar courses are charging. Offered tiered pricing. And consider the early bird launch price to validate demand before you even finish recording. Pricing is flexible. You can always adjust based on feedback and conversations later. So, step 7, launch your course. Always the most exciting part of this. A simple launch beats a complicated funnel every time. Share preview content, send email sequences, run a live Q&A, add bonus packs, and create genuine scarcity with a countdown timer. The goal isn't perfection, it's actually momentum. So here's your complete workflow. Pick your topic, plan your structure, script your lessons, record your content, upload to platform, set your price, and launch with confidence. So if you want a full written guide with example templates and internal links, check out the blog post below in the description. And if you're ready to build your course without the tech headache, Zenler gives you everything you need in one place. Courses, memberships, email automations, and so much more. The link is in the description. Now go and create something amazing.